Latest on the coronavirus here in Arizona. Those latest numbers from the state say that there have been more than 123,000 confirmed cases in Arizona since the pandemic began, and then more than 2,200 people have died as a result. The state has performed almost 1 million tests at this point. And as coronavirus cases multiply across the country and also here in Arizona, one of the nation's largest labs is reporting longer wait times to get those test results back. Team 12's Jen Wahl is live now from South Phoenix, where an ongoing testing blitz is happening there right now. Good morning, Jen.
Yeah, good morning to you, Ryan. So we've been out here for the last couple of weeks covering this testing blitz live at South Mountain Community College. And I gotta say, guys, the line this morning of cars is a lot shorter than we've seen over the last couple of weeks, but still people waiting to get that COVID-19 test. And for many people across the country, depending on where they go for a test, it could take several days to more than a week to get test results back. Now here at South Mountain Community College, Lab 24 out of Florida is conducting the testing. The company spokesperson tells us back on July 3rd that test results were taking 7 to 10 business days to come in with the spike in COVID-19 across parts of the nation back then. Now, Quest Diagnostics, one of the country's largest lab diagnostics companies, says the time it takes to get coronavirus test results back is slowing. In a statement yesterday, Quest attributed the longer wait times to the increasing demand for testing across the country. And then they pointed to the South, Southwest, and West regions in particular. Quest added the average turnaround time for most people is 7 or more days, and they're working to lessen the delay by adding new technology platforms, among other possible solutions. Another large testing manufacturer, LabCorp, repeated Quest's comments about delays in getting test results back, according to CNBC. Arizona's Department of Health director says testing is an important tool to help track COVID-19 and slow the spread. And back out here live at South Mountain Community College, the testing blitz is scheduled to happen every Tuesday through Friday, all the way through August 7th. It's free. You can bring your ID, you don't need an appointment, and you don't have to have symptoms, rather. And we also want to add that there are more testing locations across the state. You can go to the Arizona Department of Health Services website to get all of those locations there. For now, we're live in Phoenix, Jen Wahl, Today in AZ.